How do you make your offer look more favorable than other ones when you're going to be making an offer on a house? Hey, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian, thinking about that this weekend. And one way you can do that is to raise the dollar amount that you're going to be looking for with imperfections when you're doing a home inspection. You don't have to put any number down in your home inspection. Now, the reason you do put a number in there is to make the seller feel more confident that you're not going to collapse the deal for no reason whatsoever. Some little crack in the linoleum or some issue with the carpet. The reality is every house has some issues. And what you're prepared to accept makes your offer more attractive, perhaps even more than the price, depending on the house that you're looking at. I've seen some offers they put $1,000 in, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. There's no limit to what you can actually be looking for. Obviously, the higher you're going, it means that you're looking for a real serious issue, the roof, the foundation, water penetration, or whatever. So think about that. Doesn't mean you have to do anything in particular, but if you really like the house and think, hey, it's 30 years old, it's going to have some issues, let's try and raise that number to make that more attractive for the home seller. If you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. That way you'll be notified every time a new video comes online. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and we can talk about selling a house, buying a house, or just chat about real estate. I like doing that. Okay? Have a great day.